Welcome students to the EVS class. Today we will learn about my family. We live with our family in our house. There are children and parents in a family. Here Kunal lives with Shinu. They are two children. They live with their father and mother. Father and mother together are called parents. Kunal's family has 4 members. Kunal, Shinu, father and mother. This is a small family. A small family is called a nuclear family. This is a picture of large family. This large family has grandparents, parents, aunt, uncle and cousins. Grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, all are our family. When they live together, it is a large family. This large family is called a joint family. Grandmother and grandfather together are called grandparents. This is the picture of a family tree. This tree shows the relationship between the members of the family. This tree shows how the members of family are related to us. First, there are grandmother and grandfather. They form the first generation. Then comes our father, mother, uncle and aunt. They are second generation. Then in the third generation, there are brother, sister, cousin brother, cousin sister, along with us. All form the third generation. And together this shows a family tree. Some common pets are kept at home. Many of us keep pets at home for our happiness. But we should look after them. We should take care of them as they are a part of our family. Some common pets are cat, dogs, parrots, rabbits. We should take care of them by providing a clean shelter. bathing them daily, giving regular vaccination so that they don't fall sick. We should provide them nutritious food for their growth. We should play with them to keep them happy. We should be kind to them. We should love them. If our pet animals fall sick, they are taken to doctor who looks after the sick animals. These doctors are called veterinarian. A veterinarian is a doctor who looks after the sick animals. There are certain persons who cannot do one or more activities that we can do. They are called differently abled people. These people may not be able to speak or even to hear or even to see. But these people are very much talented. We can walk, but some people cannot walk. They take help of wheelchair or clutch. So they are differently able. We can see with our eyes, but some people cannot see with their eyes. They can feel with their hands only. So they can do any work, but in their own way. They cannot do the work like us. So they are differently able. So we should be friendly with them and must appreciate them. This is the picture of Helen Keller. She could not see with her eyes. She couldn't hear with her ear. She couldn't speak, but she was a famous writer. She was very talented. This is the picture of Sudha Chandran. She is a famous Bharatanatyam dancer. But she lost her leg in an accident. But she is so talented that she still dances with an artificial leg. We should appreciate these people as they have special talent in them.